When choosing a car, consider models with lower insurance risks. Vehicles with high safety ratings and low theft rates are great options for keeping insurance costs down. On the other hand, steer clear of high-performance or luxury cars. They might be flashy, but they often come with significantly higher insurance premiums. All cars in the UK are put into different insurance groups from 1 to 50. The higher the group number, the more the insurance premium will be. So if you want to pay a lower premium, then start by going for cars in the lower categories. Did you know you could save on your car insurance just by taking additional driving courses? Some vehicle insurers offer discounts if you complete a state-approved driving program. It's a smart way to show you're a responsible driver while lowering your risk on the road, and of course lowering your insurance premiums. The Pass Plus scheme in the UK is a good example of this. Many insurance companies offer discounts when you combine your car insurance with your other insurance requirements, such as home insurance. Not only can this lower your overall premiums, but it also simplifies your life by keeping everything under one provider. Plus, bundling them together can unlock additional perks. It's a win-win for your wallet and your peace of mind. If you're a student, there's good news. You might qualify for discounts on your car insurance. Many insurers offer reduced premiums for students, especially if you're under 25 and enrolled in a university or college. Some providers even have programs specifically for younger drivers. So explore this option and take advantage of these offers, keeping more money in your pocket while hitting the road. Here's a simple way to potentially lower your car insurance premiums. Consider increasing your excess. The excess is the amount you agree to pay upfront if you make a claim, and opting for a higher amount shows insurers that you're less likely to file small claims. This often translates to lower monthly or annual premiums. However, be cautious. Make sure the excess is an amount you can comfortably afford to pay in case of an accident. It's a balancing act, but done right, this strategy can lead to significant savings on your car insurance costs. Did you know that driving fewer miles can help lower your car insurance premiums? Insurers often base their rates on how much you use your vehicle, so the less you drive, the lower your risk of accidents. Whether it's carpooling, using public transport, or working from home, cutting back on your annual mileage can lead to significant savings. Many companies even offer specific policies for low-mileage drivers, so it's worth letting your insurer know if you're behind the wheel less often. Save money and reduce wear on your car. It's a win-win. When it comes to car insurance, loyalty doesn't always pay. To get the best deal, it's crucial to shop around and compare rates from different insurers. Prices can vary significantly depending on the company, your driving history, and even where you live. Use comparison websites, talk to brokers, and don't be afraid to negotiate. Many providers offer special discounts or perks to new customers, so switching insurers could save you hundreds of pounds a year. Remember, the cheapest policy isn't always the best. Make sure it offers the coverage you need at a price that fits your budget. One great option to lower your insurance costs is to get added to a family policy. If you're a young or new driver, being added to a parent's or guardian's insurance policy can be much cheaper than taking out your own individual policy. Insurers see family policies as less risky, and this could mean significant savings. Plus, it's a convenient way to bundle everyone's coverage under one policy, making it easier to manage. Just be sure everyone follows the rules of the road, as any claims could impact the entire policy. You can also lower your car insurance costs by installing safety devices in your vehicle. Features like dash cams, anti-theft alarms, immobilizers, and tracking systems not only protect your car, but also make you eligible for discounts with many insurers. These devices reduce the risk of theft or accidents, which makes you a lower-risk policyholder in the eyes of your insurance company. It's a smart investment that keeps you safer on the road and helps you save money in the long run. In the UK, some car insurers will offer you the black box technology. This device monitors how you drive. If you drive well, you get discounts on your premiums. Want to keep your car insurance costs down? It all starts with maintaining a clean driving record. Insurers reward safe drivers, so avoid accidents, speeding tickets, and other violations, which can lead to paying higher premiums. A spotless record not only saves you money, but also shows that you're a responsible driver on the road. In the UK, you could get a no-claims discount on your premiums. Plus, some insurers even offer extra perks or discounts for a history of safe driving. Stay cautious, follow the rules, and watch your savings add up.